Ginal from Reggae Stars, Italian Alborosie and Bermudan Buds is out today. New Music Friday sees the lyrically potent kickoff single from Alborosie's upcoming album For the Culture. The two voices blend seamlessly as they explain the Jamaican term Ginal, used to describe untrustworthy people.
Things run word like a taxi, glued to my word like epoxy. No carry news, laba laba, me no foxy. That's why enough so mouth lay down in a casket.
Look out for the people, them come smiling on your face and not take your place. Enough for them that bout ya. Them Ginal only want go erase and make you fall from grace. We don't want them that bout ya. A Ginal.
Well, why I collaborate with Buds? Because I love Buds' music from day one. You know, I'm a fan. Finally the herb come around and the Mamacita, you know, I'm Blind to You. You know, all Buds' big songs, you know, over the years. And to me, it's an honor, pleasure, and I'm really happy. There is mutual respect. So please listen to the new single, Alborosie, brand new single, Ginal.
The track is on pre-release as Alborosie is gearing up to release his For the Culture album featuring 14 other new songs written, produced and performed by him with other guest performers like Wailing Souls and Joe Mercer Marley on Ready. The two recently worked together on See You Again from Buds' produced Cali Roots Rhythm. And speaking of Joe Mercer, the grandson of Bob Marley today dropped his sophomore album Eternal. The 7-track project features the likes of Busy Signal as well as label mates Kabaka Pyramid on the pre-released tracks Yo Dog and Made It respectively, and sees Black Am I on No Way Out and Melly and Company. Mercer shared with E-Prime on the feel of the 23 minutes album.
Would love for people to expect a positive vibe, you know. Eternal, you listen it from start to end over and over, you know what I mean? Something to have fun with.
Joe Mercer was also excited as he and Kabaka performed for the first time a few days ago their single to a live audience in Miami. Joe Mercer teamed more live performances from the album to fans. I'm Daytron reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Have a good one.